So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna try to make a super colorful outfit. And we're gonna be using some things we've already reviewed in the last video. So I'll put those videos in the link. In the description below, link. And I'd say we start with the bottom level of the game. So we start with the shoes. Some Nike Hyperdunk 15s, very colorful shoes. And since we're trying to make a very colorful outfit, these are perfect for today. And I already reviewed these, give them a pretty good rating, I would say. And we come to the next level of the outfit. Some pants I have on right now already. Karl Lagerfeld pants. I also reviewed them in my bunch of videos ago. And yeah, very comfy. Just black shoes because the rest of the outfit is gonna be more colorful again. Okay guys, we come to the next level of our little outfit. The shirt, guys. I chose to go with this Nike shirt because it has all the colors in it. It has black and yellow, red and white. So I think that's really cool. It's not maybe the best choice, but that's the only colorful shirt I have right now. I need to stock up a little bit maybe. But otherwise, I'll tell you a little bit more about the shirt. So I bought this, at Foot Locker, and so everybody can get it. And I don't know if they sell it anymore. And we come to the next stage of the outfit. We have a sweater right here. It's a diesel sweater. We haven't reviewed this one yet. And it's one of my favorite sweaters. Let's get rid of this. We don't need this. And yeah, I would say it's a really, really nice sweater. I really like that, it's like, it has the sleeves right here. So it's one sweater, as you can see right there. It's not two, it's not like an undershirt and then a sweater. It's pretty warm. So another thing I really like about the sweater is that it has different sections. So they cut each part of the sweater into different sections. So in the back it has or in the front also it has these special stitching. And I think that's really cool. And it also has only one pocket on the sweater. It's on the right side. So you can't put your like anything on this side. This is the only pocket the sweater has on this side. And yeah, it's a really nice sweater. And it has a lot of neon colors in it, as you can see in the front, in the back. I also really like that the tag is outside of the sweater. So it's kind of inside out sweater. Now we come to the rating of the sweater. I'll give it a solid, 8.5 because, not an 8.5, more like a 9. And because the price on it was really good, 150 euros, and that's really good for this sweater. And like overall quality, it feels really nice when you wear it. It looks really cool. It's maybe a little bit different taste, so not everybody could wear it, but I think a lot of people can pull it off. And it nice sweater. And the oversized factor also, I really like oversized clothing, and that also pushes up the rating. Because oversized, you have to be pretty slim. Skinny for it to look really cool. You don't have to be skinny to wear it, but if you're skinny, then it looks a lot more baggy on you, like the arm sleeves. It stops normally here, but there's like the steps, like the bagginess. And yeah, it's a very, very, very cool sweater overall. And I would say we come to the next part of the outfit, which is a cap. Kevin Durant hat from Nike. It's red and black, which goes very well with the sweater and the pants and the shoes and everything. I can't really remember the price because I had a little phase when I was younger I was obsessed with hats. So I probably paid like $35 to $40 for this. And probably paying for the Kevin Durant there. But it's a really, really nice hat. It feels very nice on your hand. It has a lot of air going through, so it's not sweaty. Okay, guys, now we review the entire outfit, and I'm sure you all want to see what it looks like. So I'll put everything on, and then I will show you. So, guys, put the shirt on, and now gonna put everything else on. Yeah. Before we move on to the accessories, I forgot to put on the shoes, so let's do that. So guys, I finished putting on the shoes. Now looks very colorful and fashionable, of course. I would say we go to the next level of the outfit. We start with a wristband. Really cool wristband. I got this last week. It's from my school. There was a donation event at my school, and you got it if you spend $25, I think. And yeah, it's a really cool wristband. Would be cooler if it didn't say my school's name on it, but otherwise it's a cool wristband. We come to the next part. I would say we start with some glasses. Reviewed this in the last video. Some YVES Saint Laurent sunglasses. Really, really cool sunglasses. They fit very well with other outfits. They're black, so very neutral also. And yeah, really cool. We come to the next part, which is a Burberry, however you want to call it, fanny pack or waist bag, however you want to call it. I think it's my favorite bag actually right now. Yeah, very cool. We reviewed it two videos ago, I think, and it's really, really cool. So I would say put it on, and then you see what it looks like, and then we come to the final part of the video. So guys, this is my fanny pack. It goes really well with the outfit, and you could also wear it like that across your shoulder instead of across your waist. We completed the outfit, but before I forget, if you have a fanny pack, always put your sweater above the fanny pack, because if you wear it otherwise, it looks kind of, how do I say it, ugly. Before we end the video, guys, I would say we start to price the items I'm wearing today. So for the shoes, we're wearing Nike Alpha 15s. They were about $200. Pants, Karl Lagerfeld pants, $400. The Burberry bag, $590. The sweater, $150. The sunglasses, $500. The hat, $35 to $40. And the wristband, they donated $50. The video has come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Your Fashion Boy.